Good morning. So today we are going to have an amazing hike, the Emerald Lake Trail, which is at the Rocky Mountain National Park. This trail isn't just a hike, it's a slow return to yourself. It begins at Bear Lake Trailhead, surrounded by towering pines and the scent of cold earth. The air is thinner here, but you don't notice it at first because what pulls your focus is a quiet. Not a hollow silence, but the kind that fills your chest. The trail winds gently, passing Mirror Lake and Dream Lake like nature's way of preparing you. Each one more beautiful than the last, like a layered reveal of something sacred. As I climbed higher, the voices in my head got softer. Step by step, the city began to fade. My body was tired, but my soul felt light. Every rustle of the trees, every crunch underfoot, it all felt intentional, like I was walking through a conversation with Earth. And then it appeared. Emerald Lake, tucked beneath jagged snow-capped peaks. The water so still it looked like glass. I stood at the edge, breathless, not from the hike, but from the view. The reflection of the mountains, the purity of the moment. It was like the lake was holding up a mirror, not just to the landscape, but to me. I realized how loud my life had been, how long it had been since I just stood still and did nothing but exist. At Emerald Lake, there's nowhere to be, no one to impress. There's just this overwhelming sense that you are exactly where you are supposed to be. Some hikes makes your legs burn. This one quieted my mind.
Talking from the Trailhead Road, the most amazing scenic road in Colorado. So this is one of the must-visit spot at Colorado. So this is at the Rocky Mountain National Park. So here there's some must-visit spots, and this Trailhead Road is just giving. I can't explain how much views that you guys will get. It's just amazing. Imagine driving to the top of a mountain in a car without any effort. That's what we are doing here. In my life I never imagined I'll drive to the top of a mountain like a 40,000 feet height without any effort, without any hike, and seeing this amazing view. It's totally worth it. The only thing that you guys should notice that when you're coming here during the summer, just take the time slot entry and enjoy it. That's it. Just look at this view, guys. All this fish. if you guys are coming to Colorado, this is going to be this should be on your bucket list. At least if you're not going to any places, visit this one. Just visit this one. It's going to be worth it. It's gonna cover all your wildlife dreams, wildlife scenic road dreams. Yeah, that's it.